In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export time entries from ClickUp to Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step to ensure a smooth transition from one platform to the other. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up ClickUp and make your way to a dashboard. For those of you not entirely familiar with ClickUp, the dashboard is a customizable area where you can track and monitor your various tasks and projects. In this instance, it will serve as the launch point for exporting your time entries. Once you're at the dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is add a time tracking, timesheet, or billable report card. Each of these allows you to view time entries in different formats. Depending on the data you need, you can select the type of report card that suits your requirements best. This step is crucial because it's this card from which you'll be exporting your data. With your chosen report card in place, the next step is to enable edit mode on your dashboard. You can do this by toggling the option at the top. Enabling edit mode allows you to make the necessary changes and gives you access to additional functionalities like exporting. After edit mode is activated, focus your attention on the report card you've added. Look for the ellipsis icon, those three little dots, in the top right corner of the card. Clicking on this icon will bring up a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find several options, among them the option to export to CSV. Click that, and you're well on your way to transferring your ClickUp data into a more manipulable format. Shortly after opting to export, you'll receive an email containing the CSV file. ClickUp sends these promptly, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you've got that email, download the CSV file attached. The final part of this process is importing your data into Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets and navigate to the File menu. From there, select Import, then choose Upload. At this point, you can drag and drop your CSV file into Google Sheets, or navigate through your files to find and select it. Google Sheets will handle the rest, converting your CSV into a neatly organized spreadsheet that you can further analyze, edit, or share with others. And there you have it, from your ClickUp dashboard all the way to Google Sheets in just a few steps. Whether you're wanting to perform detailed data analysis or simply keep a record in a different format, exporting your time entries this way offers flexibility and ease. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Happy exporting!